Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. So friends to the face, I hear the voice now. You don't know, say a Cogency pon the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have K-Trap, Free C. Roy. I don't know who C. Roy is, but free him, fam. You understand? I don't want a man them locked behind a cage. Unless he's like a serial killer or something, or like a serial rapist, well, keep him locked up, but from K-Trap I deal with him, I know say them boy there. You understand? Real youth. But today, not gonna lie, bro. I think we do like 5 reactions before. All of them were minimum 9 out of 10. The Abs was the 10, Lowski the 9.5, Digga D with the 10, and Duro with the 9. You understand? So K-Trap, you need for forward with something different for Free C. Roy because everybody else will drop around this time been going off. You understand? But I know K-Trap though disappoint from pick and mix to mats to warm to what else? There's something that freestyle, manners freestyle, like bro, K-Trap is amazing. So let me not even talk too much, bro. Click my links in the description, like, share, subscribe. You understand? Let's jump into the shit. Not gonna lie, bro, Chopper is work rate right now is amazing. And the fact that him just a drop banger after banger, it just seemed crazy, dog. So big up K-Trap. You understand? Aye!
Go with a whistle. Ain't gonna make no noise. Shotgun stuff 2 boys. Hammer and chisel, the patch destroyed. Another time's package joy. M10 got stutter, boy. Yo, dance with the boy. Can't wait till the 3C Roy. Hammer on me, just snare my grind. I was at Steve's and he needed foil. Coke at the bottom, you see the oil. I was on a jet to IVZ. Same time trying to get my man stretched. You ain't gonna ride or step. I think that he's fine with lead. 100.
Ooh, he ain't gonna ride or step. I think he's fine with lead. It's just calm and collected, bro. But it's like, just take it in again, man. Nah. Man said, go around there with a whistle. It won't make no noise. What you mean, bro? Of course it is.
Go with a whistle. Ain't gonna make no noise. Shotgun stuff 2 boys. Hammer and chisel, the patch destroyed. Another time's
man said hammer and chisel, the packs destroyed. I break down the packs, bro. I'm breaking down the fucking packs, bro. I'm breaking this shit down, man. Fuck me. Like I always tell you, bro, like how they break down packs, that's how we break down bars over here, bro. Fuck.
No noise. Shotgun stuff 2 boys. Hammer and chisel, the patch destroyed. Another time's package joy. M10 got stutter, boy. Yo, dance with the boy. Can't wait till the 3C Roy. Hammer on me, just snare my grind. I was at Steve's and he needed foil. Coke at the bottom, you see the oil. I was on a jet to IVZ. Same time trying to get my man stretched. You ain't gonna ride or step. I think that he's fine with lead. 100 racks in jewels and you think I ain't buying tools. You bumped your head. 100 shells and
100 racks in jewels and you think I ain't buying tools. Have you bumped your head? Be honest. He said 6.3 is the GLE, 7K for the GLE, and he has 100K full of... Bro, 7K into 100K, man. I don't even know, man. Too much, man. Too much waps.
IVZ, same time trying to get my man stretched. You ain't gonna ride or step. I think that he's fine with lead. 100 racks in jewels and you think I ain't buying tools. You bumped your head. 100 shells on the M-way down and it came from man chest. Lion step
from the M-way down and it came from man chest. Hey. Alright, bro. I see what K-Trap's doing, but I know he was always going to do something like this, though. He always have some different bars.
Step. I think they fine with lead. 100 racks in jewels and you think I ain't buying tools. You bumped your head. 100 shells on the M-way down and it came from man chest. Lion step with a thingy, had a gauge, ret on Mizzy. That's a G, R and an M and I felt like Post Diddy.
Ooh, it's a G, a R and an M and I felt like Post Diddy. Wait. I said I reacted like that because of GRM Daily, right? But I don't know who is Post Diddy. Is that the guy for GRM Daily? More than likely. He wouldn't say that and be talking about actual P. Diddy. Nah, man, fuck P. Diddy, man. As in, like, I don't know P. Diddy, but like, fuck P. Diddy.
Down and it came from man chest. Lion step with a thingy, had a gauge, ret on Mizzy. That's a G, R.
Had a gauge, ret on Mizzy. That's a G, a R, and a M. Ah, man, this is crazy.
With an M and I felt like Post Diddy. 2 plus 4 said it's brand new flake. 2 different raps are white and I'm trying to compare them. RDH one's 37 and 38. Ooh. Get me in it.
And I'm trying to compare them. RDH. I got 2 different packs of white and I'm trying to compare them RD and H. Remember when RD busting, everybody I say, oh, B tech H. And when RD bust, everybody say, oh, H, your spot gone. H, you know good at. Bro, fam, K-Trap. Man is too calm to be spitting these bars right now, bro. I feel like the nigga should have a whap in his hand or something, man.
R and an M and I felt like Post Diddy. Oh. 2 plus 4 said it's brand new flake. 2 different raps are white and I'm trying to compare them. RDH one's 37 and 38. Get me in the USA, I'm trying to link Drake and Drakes. Ooh. It was me and Rose trying to take that road. Fast forward, it's me and Rose and Tape.
Oh, is that the road? I thought that was him, dog, because of the hair, but I couldn't tell.
Yeah, I'm trying to link Drake and Drakes. It was me and Rose trying to take that road. Fast forward, it's me and Rose and Tape.
Ooh, it was me and Rose trying to tape that road. Fast forward, now it's me and Rose in tape. Him and Do Road have a tape, or is Do Road on his mixtape? I think that's what he means, bro. But I know he means back in the day, him and Do Road did I try tape off estates, tape off roads, you understand? Back roads, main roads, estates. You get me?
Trying to link Drake and Drakes. It was me and Rose trying to take that road. Fast forward, it's me and Rose and Tape. Magnum bottle of 42. Watch all the birds appear. B22's no lubes. Bring my trainers, they said wear shoes. I ain't got a point to prove, but they make me feel like a dude. Might put a waps and cash on the gram and post a pic. Mood. No, I'm lying, the man dude. Might put a waps and cash on the gram and post a pic. Mood.
Might put a wap or cash on the gram and post a pic. Mood. That's his mood, man. Cash, waps, bad bees and drugs, man. That's his life.
To prove, but they make me feel like a dude. Might put a waps and cash on the gram and post a pic. Mood. No, I'm lying, the man that's tired. Skangs are whatless, all been fired. Preying the watches like the timing. Louis head to toe, no stylist. No, they ain't like this. Went overnight, I've been out here grinding. Didn't have Sky or Disney Channel, I still met Miley Cyrus.
Ooh.
I got dirty, but I was.
Still met Miley Cyrus, man. I ain't have Disney Channel, man, but I still met Miley Cyrus, bro. And that white girl.
Didn't have Sky or Disney Channel, I still met Miley Cyrus. I got dirty, but I was the cleanest. I let them owe me, told them to keep it. I wasn't signed when I got with this VS, the playing with SIs, feel me can't see it. I flew a USA baddie to Europe, heard me talk it, she wanna feel it. Stay in the villa and give it a beat and then go to the city, I'm feeling like Grealish. You never did it, you never.
Then go to the city, I feel like Grealish. Fam, this is only 2 minutes long and I've heard more bars than I've heard all fucking day today, bro. Like, what the fuck? Obviously that, but like, this fucking sick.
I got dirty, but I was the cleanest. I let them owe me, told them to keep it. I wasn't signed when I got with this VS, the playing with SIs, feel me can't see it. I flew a USA baddie to Europe, heard me talk it, she wanna feel it. Stay in the villa and give it a beat and then go to the city, I feel like Grealish. You never did it, you never done it. You wasn't lying, but you never run it. Told you I really had lake in the cupboard, feel to crap.
Said you had a line, but you didn't run it.
You never done it, you wasn't lying, but you never run it. Told you I really had lake in the cupboard, feel to cry with these 100 onions. If I can't go, I'll sure will fund them. Here in the summer, we come with a thunder. Yeah, I'm a rapper, really a hustler, and I'm a slapper. Was that my jumper?
Ooh, bro, he just gave you his fucking CV. Say the CV again, bro.
To cry with these 100 onions. If I can't go, I sure will fund them. Here in the summer, we come with a thunder. Yeah, I'm a rapper, really a hustler, and I'm a slapper. Was that my jumper?
What's that in your jumper, bro? I don't know. I don't know. No. Don't start that. Don't start that. Don't you dare. Fucking hell, man. That was K-Trap with C. Roy. Bro. Free C. Roy. Sorry. Wow. if this is how him a go on, when him want them free C-Roy, hey man, tell them free C-Roy, man, because when he's free, we're gonna get some more fucking bangers, bro. You understand? Or maybe keep C-Roy in so we can get more bangers. Right? Yes, you know what I'm saying? I joke. Free C-Roy. But K-Trap with free C-Roy, TRAPO just came with some calm bars and a calm beat. But bro, his bars were fucking... You understand? If you think about that, it was me and Rhodes trying to tape that road. Now fast forward, it's me and Rhodes on a tape. You understand? Then he had 100K in jewelry. You think I ain't both waps if you bumped your head. And then, what else him have? That beard the line him have in his sock dog. You understand? You know the badness. K-Trap free C-Roy, I give that 8.5. Not because anything was wrong with it, but because compared to the other song them today, you understand, it wasn't bad though. So yeah, this is either 8.5, bro, or a 9. You understand? But I say 8.5. Just because of the other songs that were 9s and 9.5s and 10s today, I have to give this a 8.5. But K-Trap been a make 10. His last 3 songs are 10 out of 10 though, so I don't have to care about that. You understand? But yo, K-Trap with free C-Roy. Check it out. That in the description. Check my links in the description. Like, comment, share. Check my gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Coach and say I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Yeah. Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the 400, quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. I love you, yeah, girl.